Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Confluence. Access team documentation step by step clearly. Check that you have a stable internet connection to avoid login errors. In the address bar, type your company's Confluence URL or the Atlassian Confluence address provided by your admin. Press enter and wait for the Confluence login page to load fully. If you use Atlassian Cloud, confirm the page shows an Atlassian login screen. If you use Confluence Data Center or Server, confirm you see your organization's own login form. Click inside the email or username field on the login page. Type your work email address or your assigned username exactly as provided. Click inside the password field. Enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If your organization uses single sign-on, click the SSO or Login with SEML button when prompted. If a Microsoft or Google sign-in window opens, select your work account. Complete any required multi-factor authentication by entering the code or approving the prompt. Wait until you are redirected back to Confluence after successful verification. If you see an error, recheck your email and password for typos and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. After logging in, confirm you can see the Confluence homepage or dashboard. Use the search bar at the top to find a space, page, or project documentation. Click Spaces in the top navigation to browse team spaces if available. Select the correct team space to open the documentation area for your group. Click a page title to open the document and verify you have access. If you see a permission message, request access from the space admin or your manager. To keep your account secure, avoid using public computers for signing in. If you must use a shared device, open a private or incognito window before logging in. When finished, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose Logout to end your session, especially on shared or public devices. Close the Browser tab to prevent others from reopening your session. Repeat these steps whenever you need to access Confluence and your team documentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.